Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is our second lesson regarding unit number 6, and the topics that will be covered in this lesson are 6.3 to 6.5. In the previous lesson, we had enlisted some other forms of energy, which included mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is the form of energy that a body possesses either due to its motion or due to its position. Mechanical energy has two types, namely kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy is defined in physics as energy possessed by a body due to its motion. Examples include wind that carries energy and helps to move sailing boats, water falling on blades of turbines that drive electric generators to produce electric energy. On the other hand, potential energy is defined as energy possessed by a body due to its position. Examples include a stretched bow which possesses energy due to its stretched position, or a hammer that is raised to a certain height has the ability to do work and thus possesses potential energy. Now we are going to derive the expression for kinetic energy of a body moving with a certain velocity. For this, consider a body of mass m moving with velocity v. The body stops after moving through some distance s due to some opposing force such as force of friction acting on it. The body possesses kinetic energy and is capable to do work against opposing force F until all of its kinetic energy is used up. Thus, kinetic energy of the body is equal to work done by it due to motion. So, we can write kinetic energy is equal to Fs. Now, taking Vi is equal to V, where Vi is the initial velocity of the body, Vf equals 0, which is the final velocity of the body. According to Newton's second law of motion, F equals ma, we can write the expression for acceleration A as A equals minus F by m. Please note that here A has a negative sign because motion is opposed, and thus there is negative acceleration. Now, using third equation of motion, 2as is equal to Vf square minus Vi square, and putting in the values of acceleration, final velocity and initial velocity, we come to the conclusion for work done as given in equation 4, Fs equals half mv square. Now, from equation 1 and equation 4, we get expression for kinetic energy of a body, which is equal to half mv square, where m is the mass of the body and v is the velocity with which it is moving. Please note that the SI unit of energy is same as the unit of energy, which is joule. Now we are going to derive the expression for potential energy of a body. For this, consider a body of mass m raised up through height h from the ground. The body will acquire potential energy equal to the work done in lifting it to height h. Thus, potential energy is equal to force F into height h, or potential energy is equal to W into h. Please note here that the force F applied on the body will be equal to the weight W of the body. So, using W equals mg, we have the expression for potential energy as potential energy is equal to mgh, where m is the mass of the body, g is the gravitational acceleration, and h is the height of the body through which it is raised from the ground. Please note that the SI unit of potential energy is same as that of energy, which is joule. Forms of energy. There are different forms of energy which include mechanical, heat, electrical, sound, light, chemical and nuclear energy. Mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is the type of energy that a body possesses either due to its motion or due to its position. Examples include water running down a stream, wind blowing, or a stretched bow. They all possess mechanical energy. Heat energy. Heat is the form of energy that is given out by hot bodies. Sun is the main source of heat energy. Electrical energy. Electricity is one of the widely used form of energy. The reason being that it can be supplied easily to any desired place through wires. Some sources of energy include batteries and electric generators. Sound energy. Sound is also a form of energy which is produced by vibrating bodies. Examples include vibrating diaphragm of a drum or vibrating strings of a sitar. Light energy. Light is also an important form of energy. Plants produce food in the presence of light energy. The main source of light energy is our sun. Chemical energy. Chemical energy is present in food, fuels, and other substances. Burning of coal, wood, or natural gas in air is actually a chemical reaction which releases energy as light and heat. We can also obtain electric energy from electric cells and batteries as a result of chemical reactions between various substances present in them. Animals and humans get heat and muscular energy from the food they eat. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is the energy that is released in the form of nuclear radiations in addition to heat and light in nuclear reactors during nuclear reactions such as fission and fusion. The form of energy that is obtained from these nuclear reactors is converted into other forms of energy, that is electrical energy. The energy coming from the sun for the last billions of years is the result of nuclear reactions that are taking place on the surface of sun.